guys, I'm just going to try and see if I would reset a Passat oil service. Somebody has checked online, so you just press this thing within and then you start the ignition, and then from there you press that right there, and then you should be able to reset it. Okay, let's try that. So when I start my car, guys, this shows up. There's a number plate, license plate thing right there, and what else should be there? They said service now, so we need to do service. So I'm going to try that. I'm going to just turn off the ignition, and then I try and hold this right here. Okay, let me put this thing right here, and then I do the necessary. Okay, guys, I hope this thing works. So guys, I tried out to use these buttons here, but mine didn't really work out. Alright guys, I'm just going to show you how to reset. It's a Passat 2012. So I'm going to show you how to reset oil service light. So guys, when I normally turn my car on, when I put on, I turn on, there's a message that comes up like the license plate and something. So if I try resetting from here, it can't do anything. So guys, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just show you how to reset it. For those ones who've tried all of the options, it's not working for them. So you need to do is just start, don't do anything. Once it starts up, you scroll down. You come here, guys, you do this. You either do this or this one. You can do either of them. So once you do that, it brings you to language. Once you're in language, you just scroll down. You just keep scrolling down using this down right there. You go all the way to service. Once you reach service, guys, you press OK. You just press OK right there. It says, and then you come to reset, and then you press OK again. It says, do you really want to reset? And then you press OK. And then once you press OK, guys, it's a service reset. That's what it tells you. So it resets everything. So let's go back and check if our service is reset. So let's go all the way. So you see the license plate thing. Let's get it out of the way. Let's get out of the way. License plate thing. So let's just scroll down. So the service is in 10,000 miles or 372 days. So guys, this is how you reset your oil service. I hope this really fixes your oil service thing. If you try the other method, they don't work out for you, and I really hope this helps you out. And please leave a like and subscribe. See you next time.